Alright. We're all loaded up. One more stop to make. One more stop to make, Maui. Get some Timmy's. Much needed Timmy's. Maui's like, where are we going? We're going winter camping. You watch it back there. This is a strange sounding video, if I do say so myself. Have decent coffee. Ooh, hot. Decent. Alrighty then. On the road. You ready for this road trip, kiddo? Yeah. I'm not. Say we're about 2 hours in on our road trip. We're just over out, 3/4 of the way there. Be off the highway shortly. And on some sketchy back roads to the property, and we'll see. This one's DJing for me in the back. It's whew, alright, we have arrived. We are at the property. This one's trying to figure out her boots and life. Oh yeah, they're already falling off you. That's not going to work here, is it? Yeah, they're not going to stay on you. Well, yeah. Her paw's already bleeding. She's already hurt her face. They're up setting up camp up trail. I'm finishing unloading. And we're going to make a trip out of it and see how long those boots last on her. I don't think they're going to last long. See if I can fit my heater and hose in this run, and then I'll come back for the rest of the gear. Yeah, I'll show you guys when we get closer to camp here. It's just a little bit of a walk into the bush. All right. Oh, God. Those boots are not gonna last. Those are not gonna last. That'll be amazing. They make it to our campsite. Yeah, it's the property. You guys should know this place. Oh my God, nice. Alright, we're down a boot. Down a boot. Alright, at least I can find that one. Oh, the joys. Yeah. Well, I officially found another booty. And she came back, she only had one on, so it means there's a third one laying on the trail somewhere. We're almost at camp. Just following the snowmobile trails to our property. We gotta go down a big hill and then up a big hill and we're there. There we are. Oh. There's my little one. She's having a blast. Hey, baby. Yeah, you bring the lights. Next one. Yeah, tents set up here on the toboggan hill. This one in here already cozy. It's warm in here already, eh?
Also, you might see my first hurry up.
Oh, you will, because the heater's starting to pick things up now. Yeah, because that door behind your head's open. We'll close it.
No, don't.
Okay, I'll leave it open for you. You're warm?
Yeah.
All right. Do one more run back to the truck to get stuff and go get some Pokemon going on the phone for you.
Okay.
Do not go out there with your socks.
Where do I put the garbage?
Just sit on the cot for now. I'll pick it up after. Sit beside you on the cot.
Throw in the bag.
You can. We'll pick it up after. Okay, I gotta go get the TV though and the rest of our stuff, okay?
Yeah.
You guys stay in here where it's nice and cool. Oh, thank you.
Hey,
Oh, watch out. Watch your foot on the corner. Your DVD player. Got our setup for the evening on the property.
Find the DVD player?
Yeah, I'm gonna try the HDMI, see if it works.
Did you see it?
Yeah, it's a little messed up. Jenny down there, yes, baby?
Give me a hot dog.
Do you want a hot dog for the ride? There you go. They're good, eh? Maui's like, I'm a hot dog. Yeah, these two. Where's your buddy, hey? Where's your buddy? Is your buddy in here? There she is. Diamond. Oh, eating food. Good girl. Yeah, they're getting along great.
Oh, yeah.
First time meeting each other.
Okay.
Both high energy dogs. This one's messed herself up completely. Her paws are all bloody, her face is scratched because she's running down the hill here chasing the kids, and the snow is hard and then soft. Yeah. Now he's got a face plant. Yum, yum, yum. This one's having a blast. Got some burgers on the grill over here. Yeah, babe? Yeah, she can. Just call her. Maui, she's got food. She's got food. Hey, tell her paws are bugging her. Gotta get her back in the tent. Yeah, we got the tent set up on our main trail. So the kids have a nice toboggan hill. Yeah, all is pretty good right now. All is good. Come here, Maui. Come here. Oh God, she's backwards. I was just like, do I hear sirens? That's coming from the tent. Some burgers down. I'm actually calling for a quite little snowstorm tonight. We're gonna see. I do see something blowing on. Yep. I didn't check the hourly, but it said evening, 100% chance, 5 centimeters of snow. Let's see. It's actually really easy. Everything works.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Enough to give it a couple clicks. There you go. It's on. Maui, come here. Maui, here. Let her go. Good God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got that on video. Diamond's giving her shit. Diamond's like, what was that?
I barely got to the bottom. Daddy?
Yeah. Yes. Coming. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Doing some trail walking. This one's doing some snowboarding. Da-da-da. Hey, you snowboarding. Good training. Woo! Got it, girl. Here's camp. Are you okay? Oh. Hi. That's delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one more of them. One more, they're speaking to me. Whoa. Ah. Fucked off the grill.
You probably get service out here, eh?
No, not quite. I get like a bar. Just waiting on that snowstorm.
Yeah, is it coming?
Somewhere out there. Somewhere. Well, I think we gotta pack up the chair. It's starting to snow here.
It's a big mess here, a big mess
All right, let's go. It's a blizzard out here. We're gonna do a nice walk to the truck. We'll take you guys with us. Izzy, you got the headlamp too. Here, we'll face it down a little bit more. There you go, so you can see where you're going. Yeah, we're walking through a blizzard. We're gonna take a little stroll to the truck, so I want my shoes, and she wants to go into nighttime.
It gets scary. It gets scary.
Scary? Maui looks a little scared.
Maui, you got it. You got it, Maui. It's not that scary.
There you go. You're good.
Hi, hold my hand.
Hold your hand. Yeah, hold the hand the whole time.
See how we go.
It's definitely snowing out pretty good, isn't it? All right. Stop recording now. We'll start when we get a little closer to the truck.
It's going to be bad.
What's going to be bad?
Easy.
Evie's going to be covered in snow.
I'm sick.
You getting sick? I think Evie will be fine. She's a strong Pokemon.
Oh no, he's not strong.
I can see the trucks. I can see the trucks.
I don't have my Pokemon deck with me. I don't have my Pokemon deck. There's my Pokemon Center.
Well, we made it to the
My
trucks.
Pokemon Center and all my Pokemon decks are in my Pokemon Center. So I can't get
Tacoma
them
is
out.
definitely covered in snow. So is the Colorado. All right, we just want to grab Daddy's shoes. Even Maui's covered in snow.
Now, I don't have any of my Pokemon decks on me, so I can
You know what?
capture bunnies and stuff. Why?
Daddy should probably move his truck.
Why?
Because if we get a lot of snow, I'm going to be stuck. Because I pulled in on a big snowbank, and half my truck's good, but if we come around and look at the back, watch. Look where I pulled in. I pulled in, and half of me went in really deep. See? Look how deep I went. Actually, I should be all right to back out. We'll leave it. I'll be all right. I can back out. Yeah. For example, let's show the people how deep it is. Go for a walk. I'm going to get on video how deep it is. He's up to your knees. Maui can't even do it. She's like, no. Oh my God, I found my shoes. Well, I ain't wearing them in the camp tonight. What? Good thing I found them now. So you can get them in front of the heater. Drying.
I'm gonna eat them.
I mean, they're not that bad. We got a lot of snow out of them. That's pretty funny. Don't eat that snow. My tailgate's dirty. Don't eat the snow off my shoe. That's even dirtier. Don't eat that. That's gross. Alright, bang all that out.
We should go back to.
That was dumb. That was dumb of me. Alright, is there anything else we need to grab from the truck while we're here? Your phone, but it's probably dead. There's nothing you can do with it. Your other gloves. We wanted to take your other gloves.
This is big.
Daddy's gonna walk around and grab your gloves because it's really deep over here. Oh my God.
No, you got.
It'll be interesting getting out of here tomorrow.
Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
It's deep. It's like up to my waist. You're just lucky that you don't sink as far because you're light. One glove. Two gloves. Good to go. Are you okay?
Yeah. Help me.
Help me. Take my hand. Man down. All right, Evie, are you okay? You look a little snow covered. All right. Let's get back to camp.
Get back
Got gloves. You're good. We're going to squeeze through. Tight squeeze. I know it's deep. You got it. Watch the tailgate with your shoulder. There you go. Alright. We should have enough gas in the generator for the night. I've been running it on eco and it's full. Should be okay. If it goes out, it goes out. We'll come for another walk. How are you doing?
Right?
Alright, lead the way.
Dad.
Lead the way. Oh,
I
almost
just
fell.
opened my foot. Oh,
Back into the forest, which you cannot see because it's a blizzard. They're already getting lost. Uh-oh. You're gonna lead the way? You're gonna lead the way to the wood pile? That's all it's over there. I'm like, they're already getting lost. Yeah, I'll lead the way. Now you're good. Now you know where you're going. We'll film the whole way and I'll just time lapse it so it can go fast forward. There's lots of footprints.
Oh, that's definitely a wolf. They're
y-
lit, they're huge, and you can barely see the face.
It's definitely something big. You're not wrong. We got coyotes, we got wolves, we got bears out here, we got everything.
No,
We got wild cats. We got like cougars and lynxes.
No, the scary people will not be able to hear me.
Ah, you got your guard dog in front of you right there. She'll let you know if anything's around. I wouldn't do that. Here, yeah.
Maui, yeah, there's one.
She smells something, but the problem being is she can't walk in the snow because it's like 3 feet deep.
Only for one.
Shh, quiet. It's probably Wes. I heard something in the bush.
That's one.
Maui, what you sniffing?
Dog.
What you sniffing? Stay on trail. You've already hurt yourself doing that earlier.
He smells.
For about 15 minutes, 20 minutes of walk through the bush. Camp is in sight. My little headlamps are running away on me. She is just having an absolute blast out here. And yeah, no, we just enjoying the weather. Oh, it's too bright to do. I'm gonna hold it away from me and talk. I don't know how these vloggers do that with their lights in their fucking face. It's unbelievable. Yeah, no, we're camping in the pop-up tonight. Just to kind of show you can use this tent for anything. You can use it for ice camping, you can use it for bush camping. Just all around. Works really well. It's a cozy setup. There's the doggos. Got some snow accumulating here. Lo and behold, I left my shoes on my tailgate.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
doing in here? What you doing in here?
Me?
You cozy? Looks cozy.
He's almost dead.
Look at
He's
Edie.
almost dead. He's almost dead.
It's frostbite.
Yeah. How about the last one?
Yep, I think Evie's warming up. What do you think?
Good, good. Everything's okay in the tent. We have my dog, Maui, Pimple. And
Pimple.
we have my dad. We have my dad, that's my favorite. And then we got our whole tent set it up.
Hey,
All our windows are supposed to be closed, which I'll do right now. Oh,
yeah? Yeah? Oh God, don't open the one over your head. I know, because I got the one that's facing the,
that
I want to say north on mine is getting water in it too. My north facing vent's dripping too. Where the snow's falling from.
was, yeah.
Oh, I love you. We're about to put on a movie, get all comfy, eat snacks, have a slumber party.
I'm gonna put.
Maui, your poor eye. You can't take this dog anywhere. See what she did to her eye? Look. Look, this eye. Right there. You know how she did that? Her paws are all demolished too. You know how she did that?
What the heck are you?
She was chasing you guys down the hill in the toboggan, and when she went in the very soft snow, it went really deep, and she face planted it and cut her face open.
Sounds like it's really coming down out there, kiddo. What do you think? You having fun?
Yep. Baby is one, and
This one is out like a light. That means out like a light. Beat from running through the bush all day. And yeah, I'll give you a little update of what it looks like outside.
Careful, don't fall off the bed, sweetie. You're very close to the edge. I just want you to wipe out. All right, let's take a quick peek outside. Urinate for the night. Oh. Yeah, we've definitely accumulated some snow. I had to put the blanket up on here, which is doing good still. It's really coming down out here now. Little night camp in the woods. Trees up, down.
Daddy, I was going to come out.
I'm coming in. I just want to pee.
I have to go pee.
You have to go pee?
Mom, it's cold.
Alright, 4 ppm. A little bit of CO in here. Not much. Alright, it is morning. It is morning. See, let's open this tent all the way on the bottom, too, so you don't trip out of it. Make a run to the washroom. It is winter wonderland out here. Absolutely gorgeous. That's beautiful. You ready? No?
Yeah.
You're like, oh, toboggan down this. A lot of winter wonderland out here. We'll get your snow pants on after we come back. Come on. Here. Girls, back. Come. Come back. Yeah, you guys are crazy. Alright, let's move it, guys. Let's go. Time is like, oh god, I found the deep snow again. Alright, here's our trail to get to the outhouse.
I want to go through there.
No, you gotta go through the trail the dogs are taking. You don't have snow pants on.
Dogs. Dogs.
So,
No.
move, guys, move.
Move.
Let's go.
Maui.
This way. If I kick this tree, so much snow is gonna fall on us. Let's not do that. Let's go. Move, 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 move. Diamond, move, move. Let's go. Hey, enough. Move. Move. Diamond, move, move. Go, go, go. You're good, buddy. Move, move. Enough, guys, enough. Woohoo! Good save, Izzy. Come on, we're there. Move.
Good
Move.
save, Maui. Good girl.
All right, we're at the outhouse.
I'm scared.
Of what? Aspen was just in here. Let's go. Smells Smells like a fresh poop in here. Oh shit! Sorry, I didn't hear on that side. Oh boy, I gotta dip into this. All right, our bathroom duties are done. Now we're gonna go gear up, start packing up.
Go the way back to.
Let's go back to camp. Back to camp. Move, 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 move. There we go. Move. Diamond, go. Dog is being silly. Sibling love. Enough. Move it. Move it or lose it. Let's go. Go. Careful on the hill, Izzy. If you're gonna go fast all the way down. Not too fast. Except for the dogs. There you go, good stopping. They're just being crazy right now. Maui can't even run anymore. She's so dead. Diamond's full of energy. Maui's like, I'm already spent. Now Diamond's comfortable with Maui. Wants to play Maui's like overdone. She's like, I'm tired. Good job climbing up the hill. I'll go back in the tent and we'll actually gear up for tobogganing.
Oh, God, I don't know how to ride them.
All right, on our hike out with the first load out of many. Oh, some fresh sprinkling snow. I landed right on Maui's head. I got it on the video. What a beautiful day. You having fun, Izzy? Winter's back. In Toronto, we have no snow, so winter's back for Izzy here. Yeah, the dogs. Yeah? What's that? What'd you find? All right, trucks are in sight. Load all stayed intact, surprisingly. Oh yeah, beautiful out here though. It's winter wonderland. Toyota. This is how much snow we got overnight camping. We were up in the bush. Toyota. Diamond, come.
Diamond, get over.
Just a little close to Gerald. Well, making a quick stop in Barrie. On our way back. An idea how the roads were. A little dirty. Just a little. Yeah, load's still nice and secure. Yeah, she used the washroom real quick and we're heading home.